I'm going to show you how to replace color. I have pre-selected the blue in this girl's jacket with using the magnetic lasso tool, and I'm going to change it to red so she'll match the young man that she's riding with. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to select the color. I'll select it right from his jacket and say OK. And then using the brush, normally when you first bring it up it's going to be in the normal mode. I'm going to bring it down to color mode, and I'm using it at 100%, and then I'm going to just start painting her jacket in the selected areas, and usually it won't go outside the areas that you have not selected, so wherever I have selected, that's where it's going to go to the red. So basically, if I deselect that, that's how you can paint in color and change the color of someone's clothing to match someone else, or you can change the color of an object to blend it better with other colors in the photo that you're working on. Alright, so that's using the brush tool in the color mode at 100%, sampling the color and painting within a selection.